Introducing Drivebase, the unified command center for all your storage, files, and workflows running entirely on your own infrastructure. Setup takes seconds, just one curl command followed by compose up, and every service comes alive instantly. Once you open the browser, onboarding guides you through a clean setup and drops you straight into your dashboard where everything is ready to connect. Inside providers, you'll find a growing list of supported storage integrations like S3, Dropbox, Nextcloud, and more. But let's connect Google Drive. Just paste your client ID and secret from the docs, authorize, and done. Instantly, your entire drive appears inside Drivebase, synced as virtual files, so nothing is actually downloaded yet. Now let's add another provider, local storage, pointing to a folder on the desktop. Connected. Next, we create a rule so every PDF automatically routes to local storage. Upload a PDF and watch it happen in real time. No manual sorting, no dragging files around. Drivebase handles it for you. But it doesn't stop there. With transfer, you can move files between providers with a single action, shifting data across services without downloading or re-uploading manually. Now let's turn on Vault, Drivebase's end-to-end encrypted storage. Set a passphrase, download your recovery file, and your secure space is ready. Upload a PDF to Google Drive through Drivebase and try opening it directly from Google Drive. It won't open because it's encrypted. All encryption and decryption happens locally in your browser, meaning your data stays yours and only yours. Next, we activate AI processing, which scans eligible files and builds vector embeddings, so your data becomes searchable by meaning, not just file names. It runs in the background, and once finished, press Command K and the command panel appears. Search for any file or folder across every connected provider in seconds. Press Tab and switch to AI mode for deeper discovery across documents, PDFs, and even images using built-in OCR. Search for something like PHUQuoc and it finds the exact image containing that text, even if it was buried in thousands of files. And this is just the beginning. Full conversational AI across all your storage providers is coming soon, letting you chat with your files like never before. If you want to support the project, star it on GitHub and join the community on Discord for updates, help, and feedback. Thanks for watching.